This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, hello.
I'm audible. Yeah. In the same way, I need to select the links itself based upon the any name. See, I can show you. See, I want based upon the contact name or country name. I need to select a particular. This is the links. How I can able to select it based upon? I need to select country names. Okay. See, country names are duplicates available, so that it is not possible. So that I am taking only always contact names or contacts also contain duplicates. So I can take this. Oh, I already said previous class only. Based upon the unique elements only, we can able to handle the dynamic web tables. Okay. Here I am going to take the preceding sibling in the same way I need to take the following sibling. Following sibling of TD. What is the TD? It's a TD of last, correct? Last is a method which is inside the selenium, sorry, inside the xpath that will select the last one. Mm, yeah, by using this, if I change this position, like I can say that I can give anything at the runtime. But if it is Ola, it will select the Ola link. If I give the Amazon, if it select the Amazon text box, see, it will always selecting the unique value. Flipkart. See, it is a link, Flipkart link. By using this, I can able to get the dynamic expressions. I am going to get the based upon this text. Okay, guys. In this way, I can get the dynamic values by using this percentages modulo. See, I am going to take one more string, static string of link. Same, I am going to take this. I am going to take here it as a percentage yes. I already said na, based on the percentages, we can able to pass the dynamic text. Same, I am going to take one more parameter that is string link text data. See how I am going to perform same. Very important guys. String dot format. We will take what the link and the second one argument is the link text data. See, I am going some time so that you can able to see difference. Thread dot sleep for 5 seconds. Add through declaration. Okay. And then I need to pass the I need to call these methods. Static methods can be called directly without object creation. Web table handlers. Which checkbox I need to select first? Anyone? I need to select Java checkbox. Just I am passing Java. Okay. Which which link you want to select? I need to select the Selenium link. These are string now, so that we need to write in a double quotations. Okay. Which link you want to select? Anyone? Selenium. See, mud should be same. ఇలా ఇక్కడ ఎలా ఉంటుందో అలానే రాయాలి. Okay, selenium. See, I need to do add throw declaration because here method is declaring the exception so that in the implementation only we need to select the throw declaration. See how the execution flow will be available. Let's see. Because I forgot to perform some operations. What I need to do over this? I need to perform click operations. Correct? I need to perform click operation. Without writing any operations, it won't perform any operations. So that I wrote some operation. That operations click operations. Okay. Now you can observe it is able to perform click operations. Both checkbox as well as the what guys link text. See, based upon Java, it is selected Java. Based on solution, it will select the Selenium. I think you can able to observe. In this way, we can handle the dynamic web tables. ఎలాంటి tables ఇచ్చినా కూడా by using the simple codes, we can able to handle the dynamic elements. Same way, if your manager say based upon the countries, first you need to compare this Selenium and then you need to compare this USA and then you can able to perform click operation. See, if your manager say, hey boss, I need to select the USA. USA is 2 times available. So what I will do, I will compare first with the USA and then based upon the company name, I need to click on here this link. అర్థమైందండి మీ మేనేజర్ యుఎస్ఏ ఇచ్చాడు you need to ask in which company in USA there are 2 companies in which company I need to perform click operation and then he will say USA with Selenium. The same way I'm going to write here 2 ways. One by using I need to select the USA and then I need to select the Selenium and if both are same then I'm going to perform checkbox or no more button with the help of this code. Okay. If you know the following sibling following preceding, you can able to write a dynamic expression by yourself. Okay, guys. By using for loop also we can do it. Okay. Based on the time permits any one of the day, I'm going to take the one class and I'll tell you. Okay, guys. For loop ద్వారా చేయొచ్చు, for each loop ద్వారా చేయొచ్చు. But as a testers, we should be write a generic code that easy to understand. Short lines to complete చేసి they are able to understand. For loop తీసుకుంటే it will take nearly 100 to 150 lines పడుతుంది or it will take nearly of 100 lines. Okay. In this way you need to write handle the dynamic web tables. Please practice guys. If you practice as much as possible then only you can able to handle. Rajshekar, is it fine for you?
Yes, bro.
Rajshekar? Okay. In this way we are going to handle the web tables. Prati table, every table there is a one unique column will be available. Based upon that unique column only, we are going to perform the click operations or get text. If you want to get this text, simply I am going to do this like this. What is the position of this? I want this country name. Simply I want to take the index of this. I am passing here Selenium. And I want to get the text of position 3. Sorry, 2. See, USA is selected. In the same way, I'm using some method, get text, that will return the text. Yes or no, guys? Get text will return the whatever the text inside this, you will return the particular text. Static string, country text. Whatever the country we are passing, I need to get that particular country. What is his last of two kadanడి? In the same way, I need to get the text of that country. Simply, how I will do driver data find element by dot xpath. Then after that string dot format, I am going to take country text. Based upon the country text, we need to pass the key. Based upon the key, it will give the values. Then after that, I need to get text. I am storing into this string. Then I am going to print this. Okay, country. Required text of country. See, it is showing error. I need to pass the three parameters. Okay, based upon the company name, I need to get the text. I'm going to get the Flipkart. Flipkart. Everything is correct now. K should be capital or capital. Okay. See, if I run this code, what will happen? It will get the text of the particular country location. See, Java checkbox is selected. Maybe it won't get the text because it is navigating to other page, so it is not able to identify this object. So that I need to pass before clicking of this link. Definitely it will fail because it is not able to identify the object. ఎందుకంటే కనుక ఆల్రెడీ ఈ లింక్ క్లిక్ చేస్తానే ఈ పేజీ ఒక పేజ్ నుండి ఇంకో పేజ్కి నావిగేట్ అయిపోతుంది. So that my required text is existing in the previous link. So I am not able to perform click operation. So that I can do this as a before. Before checkbox selection only, I am going to do this. After checkbox selection only, I am getting the text. Then after that, I am going to perform this click operation on the link. See, Java, it will read the text and then will click the, after 5 seconds, read the text. Then after that, click on the checkbox. See, required country is India. Yes sir, no? ఇక్కడ ఏముందండి ఇండియానే ఉంది కదా. So it is printing India. I can do one more thing so that we can differentiate something. I'm using after some couple of seconds, I need to close the browser also. How to close your specific browser? Anyone? Driver dot close. See, I'm going to run this web table. Very easy code, guys. If you practice, you can do anything here itself. See, checkbox is selected, then India is selected, then clicking on the no more link on the Selenium. Then after 2 seconds, browser will be closed. See, required text of a country is India. I think you can understand everyone how to handle web table in Selenium. Everyone, is it fine? Srinivas, and I can call Rashikar, Ajitesh.
Yes, bro. But if you
Yes,
practice,
sir.
we can more understand.
Yes, very good, guys. Okay. And coming to few topics that is related to the following sibling, following ancestors. Everything is same. Descendant will give the next following child. See, if I give the descendant, you can able to understand. After selenium, I want the descendant. Colon colon TD. It will give the all the descendant maybe spell mistake. Single quotation. See, I can get something like parent. Colon. What is the parent? See, TR. Who is the parent of the selenium? This is the parent. See, if I give the parent, it will give like this. Okay. If it is contains a child, it will give the child also. See, after parent, see, I found this selenium. I want to navigate to next type directly based on this reference. TR. And after again, I am going to take following. See, it is going next to TR. Who is the ETR next to brother ఎవరండి sibling? This Jenkins. See? Next to brother ఎవరు? This Java. This last. Hey, what happened? 1 second, guys. See, in this way we can able to see we can able to find the parent means it will give the immediate parent. In the same way, we are going to use different types of things. Okay, you can use as per your requirement. Okay, parent means it will give the immediate parent. Child means it will give the immediate child. See, if I take like this, see, I am going to take this table, customers table of ID equal to customers slash child colon tr. There is no immediate child for this person because this person contains a number of childs. So that we need to use the following sibling. Maybe following sibling also not available. So that I am going to take tr. It is going somewhere. TD. It is going somewhere. Because for this person we need to find the immediate persons, means just single slash t body, that's enough, or double slash anywhere tr. Okay, if I want to find the immediate person to this the next second person of this td, see, I will take t body, then a single slash following. Okay, colon, see, you don't have the siblings. సారీ కోలన్ టీడీ ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళిపోతుంది చూడండి. సి అంటే మనకు ఒకటే టీ బాడీ ఉంది, వేరే వేరే టీ బాడీస్ లేవు, అందువల్లనే అలా చూపిస్తుంది. సి ఎక్కడికో వెళ్ళిపోతుంది కర్సర్. మీన్స్ ఇమీడియట్ గా ఉండేటికి చైన్ లింకింగ్ ఉండేటి వాటికి మాత్రమే వీ నీడ్ టు యూజ్ ఇట్. ఇఫ్ యూ ప్రాక్టీస్ థరోలీ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ వేర్ ఈస్ ద పేరెంట్, వేర్ ఈస్ ద చైల్డ్, హూ ఇస్ ద ఇమీడియట్ పేరెంట్, హూ ఇస్ ద ఇమీడియట్ చైల్డ్. ఈ డామ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ని మీరు బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్, యూ నీడ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్ యాజ్ మచ్ యాజ్ పాసిబుల్ సో దట్ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు పెర్ఫార్మ్ some operations over this. Okay, I can give one more link in the one more page also, we can able to find out where means HYR tutorials basic controls. See here itself, see I want to say inspect this text box. See if I am going to try this inspect this text box, this text box contains BC text box, class name you repeated, ID is not repeated. You can take this ID, but if ID is not available, then based on this first name I can able to select it. Label itself we are going to select it. Okay, what is the label here? First name. ఈ లేబుల్ కి చైల్డ్ ఎవరండి? వీలే కదా, ఫాలోయింగ్ చైల్డ్స్. In this way we can able to find out if this first name is not available. See, already it is showing one result because I have the unique elements. If the unique is not available, then only we need to depend upon the like this. See, if I go for the languages, you can able to understand. See, languages. See, where is languages, guys? One second, I am going to remove it so that you can able to understand. See, I am going to inspect these languages. Languages. See radio button. No, where is, see here itself. Again, it having the unique English, Hindi. If unique is not available, I can get this with the help of this label text, and then I am going to perform some operations. See, I will write the unique thing for this. I am taking labels. How to take like this? Two forward slash label. After that, what is B is available? Then after that, dot equal to text labels is highlighted. Then after that, if there is no unique for this, what I will do? This is not a child for this. ఈ label ఇక్కడే close అయింది కదా. Again, I need to go for the parent colon label. Then after that, I am going to take the single slash following colon input. See, this input will be highlighted. So I need to take as a following sibling. Only the particular parent should be same. See, it will give 8 inputs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ala, in this way, we can able to write the unique XPaths. If no XPath is available, మనం ఇలా unique XPath చాలా రాసుకోవచ్చు. Based upon your practice, you can able to perform as much as possible. మీ syntax, if you know the syntax, then only you can able to perform this all type of things. You know this how to test in the here. I can take another way also by using text. తెలుసు కదండి, ఎలా కావాలంటే అలా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇఫ్ యూ నో దిస్, వాట్ ఈస్ ఫాలోయింగ్ సిబ్లింగ్ అంటే సేమ్ పేరెంట్ రిలేటెడ్ younger brothers is called following sibling. Preceding sibling means same parent with the elder brothers is called siblings. If you give the only precedings, you will give all the parents which is above all the elder brothers which is greater than you. Okay, in this way we can able to handle this XPaths. If you people thoroughly practice the syntax, then you can able to write any type of expertise. Okay, no need to worry, guys. Based upon your practice, that will be available. And this is the way to handle the web tables. Please practice web tables also, very important. Our day-to-day activities in the real time. Okay. Now we are going to discuss the one more topic is I can say that how to read the data from the Excel sheet. How to write the data from the Excel sheet. Okay. How to read data from Excel and how to write data to Excel. Okay, very important guys. Okay, very important guys. How to read data, how to write data. This is one concept. How we can able to achieve this means by using the Apache PyJab. Okay, what is Apache Py? Okay, as per my perception, Apache Py is a one type of API which is provided by the API for Apache Foundation. Apache Py అనేది ఏం లేదండి. It's nothing but Apache Py. Okay, is an API. You know API? API means which does not have the any body. Based upon the internal structure, it is developed provided by Apache community or foundation. Okay, which is used to collection of different which is used to collection of different Java libraries. It contains some Java libraries, I think so. Okay, these libraries will help for read, remove some operations. Libraries helps in reading of data, okay, writing of data, and what can we can perform, and I can manipulate changing of data, manipulate or changing of data will be performed over different files such as files such as Excel. Okay, I can say that PDF. I can say that Word. This type of different files will be available. Okay, Apache Py is a API which is provided by API Foundation. The API Foundation అనే వాళ్ళు they provided Apache Py is a one type of API which is used to collect Java libraries. With the help of these Java libraries, they are going to read the data, write the data, manipulate the data in different files. Okay, as a testers, we'll read the data from Excel or by using files. I can read the data with the help of the Excel, with the help of files means property files. Okay, by using property files, we can able to read the data. Okay, guys. Now I am going to give the some types of MS Offices. I think you know types of MS Offices. Any types in MS Offices? Okay. I think you people not yet seen. If you seen, very happy. There are two types of MS Offices will be available. Two types of MS Offices will be available. If you observe, some files will contain the extension like this. Some files will contains the extension like this. Extension, I can say that .xls, and some files will come like this. dot xlx files. You can see this type of files. XLX is the one type of file which we are using less than version of 2007 of MS Office. Before 2007 MS Office version, we are using only XLX files. After after 2007, we are using always this XLXX files. Okay, based on the client requirement, we can handle this type of files. We can handle this type of files, guys. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, but 90% companies will use the XLX files. I will show you how this Excel sheet will be looks. See how to create Excel sheet. In this way, we are going to create the Excel sheet. Okay, I am going to open this Excel sheet, and then what I will do, I will write some data. First name, last name. Okay, company name. In this way, we are writing different types of Excel sheets. First name, last name, company name. See, I am going to save this file in a different format. See, file, save as this desktop. See, in the I am going to take test data dot xls. It is saved, and then I am going to close it. See where it is. It is in the test data. Where is the test data? Hey guys, what happened?
First row, second one.
Yeah, correct. See what is the extension for this? XLS. Yes or no, guys? In the same way, I am going to take one more file. Say I am opening this another file. I am going to store some other data. Same employee ID, employee name, employee salary. See, this is the table I am taking employee ID of 101. Employee name I am taking some Ram. Employee salary I am taking 20,000 rupees. Employee designation test engineer. In this way I am going to pass n number of data. See this file I am storing in a different way. In this computer desktop. See employee data dot xlsx. Again, can you help me guys where it is located? See, employee data. See what is the format for this employee data? I need to know the format. Right click here, go to properties. See, it contains the properties of XLSX. See, if you see the properties for test data, see, it is showing like this, but externally it is stored in as XLX, but internally it is XLSX. But this is separate, guys. No need to worry. XLS and XLSX is different. Okay, this is a one type of before 2007. If you want to pass the Excel sheet, we are using XLS data. But later from 2007 onwards, we are using the Excel SX data. Okay, internet is showing XLX, but here you can see the extension. I passed extension as a .xls. Here I pass the extension as a XLSX. Okay, and now I am going to write. This is the XLS difference. Now I will help you how to download and set up this. Okay, Excel Apache PyJars. Okay, Apache PyJars. Very important, guys. How to download and set up this Apache PyJars. See, in the Apache PyJars, I give some diagrammatic format so that you can able to understand what I am saying. See, I have a two types of Excel readers will be available. One is this is one type of Excel reader. This is one type of Excel I have. Okay. Okay. I think this. I think this. Okay. This Excel is a dot XLS file for this file extension. For this file extension dot XLSX is the extension. Okay. For this file, data will be stored by using which type of PyJars? We need just PyJars. PyJars is required. Okay, to read this type of data. Okay, but to read this type of data, we need two types same PyJars with another extension. I will tell you guys. We need which type of things? PyJars plus along with this PyJars, we need OOXML jar files. Okay, which is a combination of PyJars as well as the OOXML jar files. To read this before data 2007 data, we need just PyJars. But in the .xlx file, we need Py as well as OOXL because if you take these jars, it will support this type of file, this type of file. If you take these jars, this file won't be supported. If you download this PyJars means it will support only for this type of files. If you download this combination of these two jar files, it will support both the XLSX sheet as well as the XLS sheet. Okay, students, I think you got some clarification what I said. Okay, this will support only PyJars. This will support only with the XLX as well as the XLSX. Okay, that is the major difference. So that I am going to download these jar files. Okay, how to download these jar files I am going to explain so that you can able to understand. Download, I can going to extend. Go to MVN repository. I already said whatever the jar files you required, go to the particular repository and download. So I am going to the MVN repository. Where it is MVN repository? One second, guys. I am taking new tab. I'm preferring click MVN repository. So I navigate to this repository. What is the jar files I required? Okay. Search for PyJars in search box. Okay. POI, enter. If you are not see, it contains only PyJars which support only XLX file. It contains Py plus OOXML. It support both XLSX and Excel sheet jar files. So select second option which will read data from both XLS and .xlsx files. నా షీట్లో ఇది ఎక్సెల్ఎక్స్ ఎందుకు చూపించలేదంటే మేబీ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ ద లేటెస్ట్ వర్షన్ 2007 before version. If I use in my laptop, then I can able to see this XLS file. But no need to worry, guys. I will tell you just some 2-3 lines of code will be changes, but everything will be same for XLS and XLSX. Okay. Then after that, you can select this Apache Py OOXML. Second option, take any stable version. Take, sir, or click on any stable version. See, I am taking some stable version of 4.11, 4.1.1. Okay, and then copy dependencies. These are the dependencies we have. I need to copy this. I am copying these dependencies. Okay, in the project itself, I am going to click on the project with where it contains the pie charts. Copy dependencies. Okay, then open our project and click on pom.xml file and add dependencies. That's it. So I already copied. Open pom.xml file. The pom.xml inside the dependencies. I am going to add the dependency. See, this is the dependency. So this is the dependencies. I am going to add this Apache PyCharm. See, I am going to add this Apache PyCharm. It already contains in my laptop. See, PyOOXML. No need to add for me. You can add for your side. Then after adding this PyCharts, click on the project, click on the Maven, sorry, run as Maven build. Select just for compile. Then you'll download the required jar files in your mission. See, if you want to see part of the build success or build fail, no problem. But your required jar files will be downloaded here in the Maven dependencies. See, I need which type of jars? See, I am getting PyOXML, PyOXL schemas, API, Py, Scratchpad. See, these are for different types of file reading. Sometimes I want to read the data from the PDF file. Sometimes I want to read the data from the some different types of files will be available. Scratchpad is a one type of jar file which is used to read the data from the JSON format like this we are using. Okay. After downloading all the jar files, what is our next step is next our couple of step is I need to write the code, uh, read the data from the Excel, read the data from the where I need to write, create the Excel sheet and write the data in the Excel sheet by using with the help of these commands. Okay, so that you can able to write automate the this application. See, I am going to write
Bro,
some
can you
command
explain once again? Bro, can
which
you
is in
explain second jar? Second jar.
schema.
Schema.
Okay, schema is a one type of jar file which we can able to schemas, not schemas. I said some other thing.
OXM.
Once again, I will explain. A scratchboard, scratchpad. Scratchpad is a one type of jar file which is used to automate the PDF files, to read the data from the PDF files, to read the data from the some different types of files will be available like JSON files. Okay,
Okay.
for those things we'll use the Scratchpad. Okay,
Okay.
the code
Okay.
will be same for the all type of files. If you know how to handle Excel sheet, in the same way itself, we are going to automate the some this type of files like Scratchboard, which means like PDF, like JSON files. But 95% companies will use the Excel reader. Unit should be familiar in the Excel readers, guys. Very, very, very
Okay.
important. you need to know what is PI. You can say PI means poor falsification interference. I think so. Okay. Poor falsification implementation means it will implement the different types of data from the Excel reads. See, using Apache Pi from Selenium to Excel readers. Okay. Now, what we learn from the Apache is a one type of a community which will provide the support for the reading of data from the Excel sheet for different programming languages. It will collect the different Java libraries. Based upon the Java libraries, it will perform the read write operations like this. And how many types of Excel sheets available in the market? Two types of Excel sheets will be available. One is XLS, another is the XLS sheets. Okay. By after downloading the jar files, we need to append these jar files to the pom.xml file and build the project so that the particular dependency will be downloaded into the Maven dependencies section. Okay. Up to here we completed now. Then after I am going to write some basic classes, some basic methods. See how this Excel sheet is divided means I will tell you. Observe carefully, guys. This is the Excel sheet. If you open this Excel sheet, then it become workbook. Okay. Here itself, very observe carefully, guys. This is the Excel sheet. Okay. How I can able to get this sheet by the path of this employee file. See, by getting the path of this location. What is the path of this location? See users modem desktop. After desktop, employee data. Okay, this will give the path of the location. After opening this Excel sheet, already open, sorry. This is called a workbook. This is called a workbook. Yes, sir, Nagesh? ఇదేంటండి? This after opening the Excel sheet, before opening, make a note. Before opening Excel sheet, it is what? It is a Excel file. Okay. After opening, what will become after opening Excel sheet? Then it is what? Then it is what? Workbook. Okay. This entire page is called the workbook. Then after that, inside the workbook, what contains? It contains sheets. Sheets. I can say it's a sheets. I can say that sheet one, sheet two, sheet three will be available. Be sheet one, sheet two, sheet three available. I can change the name of the sheet also. See, I am passing sheet name as a employee sheet. I am taking one more sheet. That is for which type of sheet? That is for customer sheet. Okay. I can sheet one more sheet. That is for vendor. Okay. You can pass name of the sheet or by using index of the sheet. This is the index position 0. First position, second position. Okay. It contains sheets with the positions or by using sheet names. Okay. By using this sheet, and I have which things. This is called the rows. Yes sir, no guys. We rows hai kada? Rows, 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 rows. This is called the rows. Okay. And this is called the columns. మన వెబ్ టేబుల్ డిస్కస్ చేసాం కదా ఏ రోస్ ఏ కాలమ్స్ yes guys this is called a rows and this is called a column. Now what I will do means I am going to write one code, simple code, so that we can create the one Excel sheet and I'll write some code over the sheet. So that what I will do, I can create the one Excel sheet just on that Excel sheet itself. I need to write the test data. Okay, so that I am creating one Excel sheet. Create new with any name. You have to. I can name it as a JSL. Okay, I am taking the path of this file. What is the path of this file? In this location, I have the path. I am taking the path backward slash. Then what is the name again left over? JSL. Okay, dot Excel XX file. This is the path of the file. In this file, I need to write the some test data. I need to write some test data inside this file. I need to write like first name, second name like this. Okay. Then I am going to explain the code so that you can able to understand. Okay, guys. I am creating one class. That name of the class is uh, create and write Excel. Okay, create and write Excel means it will create the Excel sheet and will write the data in the inside the Excel sheet. Okay, guys. So that what I will do means I am writing one main method. See, very important, guys. I will write and I will explain you. No need to worry. I need to create the workbook. See, SXF workbook. See, XSF workbook means XSF will be work on the Excel sheet which is Excel XX files. Okay, so that I am taking workbook. I will explain you lastly. New XSF, you need to practice this, guys. This syntaxes. Then after that, I need to interact with the sheet. Which sheet? XSF sheet. XSF sheet. Then after that, I am taking this as a reference sheet. Then after that, where is my sheet is located? My sheet is located on the workbook. Workbook that I need to create sheet. See, I need to create the sheet directly. I need to create the sheet with some specific name. We can pass any name of the sheet with the help of. I can take sheet name as a. I can take this as a test data. You will create the sheet with the test data. Then after that, sheet is created. What I need to create it? I need to create the row. అవునా కదా ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేశాను ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ క్రియేటింగ్ అండ్ రైటింగ్ ద షీట్ డేటా ఇన్ ద ఎక్సెల్ షీట్ ఫస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ క్రియేటింగ్ షీట్ specific location I am creating sheet workbook. In the workbook I am creating first sheet by using create sheet, and after that I need to create the row sheet dot create row. Which row I want to create? I want to create the first row. First row index start with 0. Yes or no, guys? Then after that, I want to create the row is created. What contain the Excel? See, I created the workbook. I created the street. I created the row. Row start from 0. This 0th row, this is 0th column. I need to create the column based upon the what? Based upon the row. First row I need to create sorry get row. Which row I need get row? 0th row. In this position I need to create the cell with which column? With 0th column. Then after that I need to pass the data. Set cell value. See, we can pass any number of data. We can pass string. We can pass a string with different lines. We can pass double value, data value, date value, calendar value, boolean value. I am going to take the. I need the text in the form of string. I need to create it. What I need to create? I need to pass hello. Then after that, in this position means 0th row, 0th column position, I created one sheet, one row, one column where I am passing what? Hello. Then after that, I need to create a specific row. How I need to create one more row. Sheet dot create row. Which row? First row. What is the first row? This is the first row. 0th row, first row. Then after that, I need to write some data here itself. Sheet dot get row. Row will be first row. Then after that, I need to create the cell. Avuna kada? I need to create the cell. How I can create? Same. Create a cell. Which column I need to create? As of now, 0 row, 0 column created. Now, first row, 0th column है కదా ఇది still. Dot set cell value. What I need to sell? I need to send some string value. Hello world. Okay. Now, what I did? I created one cell where I wrote some data, test data. Okay, guys. In the same way, I need to write one more test data in the second column. See, this is 0th row. I need to write in the second column. Same sheet dot get row. Which row? 0th row. And create cell of 1. Then I need to pass set cell value of string testing. I need to pass some data here itself. Sheet dot get row. The first row I need to pass in the second column. Create cell. Second column is first index. Set cell value of string. I am taking once again. See, very important. I will tell you one more thing. In the Selenium, there are two types of things will be available. Sorry, in the reading of data, there are two types of methods will be available. Very important. Two types of methods available in POI, Apache POI. Those methods are, I can tell you, I can say the two classes instead of methods. Two classes. Okay. Those classes, I can say that file input stream and a file output stream. Okay, here the meaning will be vice versa. File input stream means that it will read the data from the Excel sheet. Means that it will read the data from the Excel sheet. It will read the data from Excel sheet and pass over application. Okay, what this will do means this will pass the data over Excel sheet. Okay, then for reading the data, it will use the method. Make a note, very important. For reading data, it will use which method? Get string cell value. Very important case. Get string cell value means by using this type of the methods, it will read the data. Okay, For writing data, what you will do? Set cell value. See, set cell value. For writing the data, it will use what method? It will use method like set cell value. ఇక్కడ సెట్ సెల్ వాల్యూలు చాలా ఉంటాయి, స్ట్రింగ్, బులియన్ లైక్ దిస్. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే ఇక్కడ కూడా రీడ్ చేసేటప్పుడు స్ట్రింగ్ డేటా రీడ్ చేస్తాము, లేకపోతే వీ కెన్ నీడ్ న్యూమరిక్ డేటా, వీ కెన్ నీడ్ బులియన్ డేటా, ఎన్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్. ఓకే, నౌ I created the sheet, I created the workbook, I created the row, I created the cell value, I passed the data. In which Excel sheet I need to pass all this data? I need to pass this all data into one Excel sheet where in specific file. I can write in different way. See, file is equal to new file. I need to give the path of this file. I already stored this path of the file in somewhere. This is my path of the file. Path of the file I am given. Then after that, I want to perform the, I said now, for reading the data, use the file input stream. For writing the data, we will use the file output stream. File output stream, fi is equal to new file output. In which file I need to write the data? In this file I need to write the data. ఈ ఫైల్ లోనే కదా మనం రాయాల్సింది. See, it will show some exception. I need to handle this by using throws. File not found exception. If not file is available, then I need to throw this exception. Then after that, fi dot write. I need to write this data. Sorry, I need to write all this data into the workbook. Workbook dot write. Where I need to write in the file output stream. If this workbook is not available, again I need to throw add declaration. IO exception. Input output exception. After all the writing this, I need to close this workbook. If should be in open state, workbook there should be some method which is related to the close or quit. Write is completed, to string is completed. I need to close now. 1 second guys, I need to close it. That should be available. Okay, leave it as of now. Close is not available. See, before executing this program, whatever the file is you created, that should be not be opened. Very important guys. See, then after that, I am going to execute this code. This file, what happened? It will create the workbook, it will create the sheet. Then after that, it will write test data into specific file. See, if I run this code, see, I will open this sheet. I will test what test data. Okay, guys, my mistake. It's already written the data, but this file is stored in a form of, I need to change it. Sorry guys, I need to change the code. I need to change to XSF sheet because that sheet format is a XLXX. So that we need to import this statement. No need to worry guys, I will explain you. Everything I can explain you. XSF workbook, XSF sheet. See what will happen now. I am going to write one more time, run this code one more time. I need to print something so that I'll get some clarification. Execution completed. See, execution completed. Now I am going to open this sheet. See, it is writing the data. See what I wrote, hello, testing, hello world, sheet name test data. రాసింది కదండి. ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటంటే ఇంకా సి ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్ దిట్ ఈ షీట్ వచ్చేసి ఎక్సెల్ ఎక్స్ఎక్స్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంది. ఓకే, అబ్జర్వ్ వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్లీ గైస్. సి ఇఫ్ అవర్ షీట్ ఈస్ ఎక్సెల్ ఎక్స్ఎక్స్ ఫార్మాట్, very important guys. Make note it as a 10,000 times important. Even I also forgot. Okay, if our sheet is Excel XX, then we should use method called XSF. Okay, మన షీట్ ఫార్మాట్ డాట్ ఎక్సెల్ ఎక్స్ఎక్స్ షీట్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంటే we need to use the XSF sheet. Okay, again I am showing you, if our sheet format is dot xlx, means before 2007 model. Okay, then we should use method called HSF. Okay, ఈ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, అందువల్ల ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రైటింగ్ ద కోడ్. మనం ఈ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేసి ఈ షీట్లో రాసినాం అనుకోండి, ఈ వర్షన్ సపోర్ట్ చేయదు కాబట్టి ఇట్ విల్ త్రో సమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ పాపప్. ఇందాక చూపించింది ఒక పాపప్ అలా త్రో చేస్తుంది. ఓకే గైస్, I think you can understand clear picture. So this is the sheet of recent version, more than 2007. So we are using XSF sheet. If you are using old version, we need to use the which type of HSF sheet. Okay, that's all about today's session. Tomorrow I am going to continue how to write the data, how to read the data from the Excel sheet. Okay, as of now how to create the data, how to write the data we done. Please practice guys. If you not practice, you're not able to remember this, even this XSF sheet also. Okay, everyone, Rajshekhar,
Yes, bro.
others, Ajitesh, you understand now
Yeah.
why we are using XSF sheet, why you are using hmm?
Hello.
XSF sheet? Yes.
Yes, I understand.
Okay, thank you. Okay, in this way we can able to write the data into the sheet. This is called the this is called a sheet name. Okay, this is called the workbook. This is called the table row. This is called the table column. Okay, okay guys, please practice. If you practice only, you can able to understand. If not, I can't do anything. Okay, please practice it guys. That's all about today's session. Tomorrow I am going to explain how to read the data from the Excel sheet, which is already contains. And also, if possible, I can able to tell some examples for the following sibling, following ancestors. By Friday, I will wind up the session, and Friday I am going to tell some Git commands, how to use Git, what is Git, I will tell you. Okay, guys. Okay for everyone. Rajshekhar, CH Kumar, Srinivas, Ajitesh.
Yes, bro.
Okay, thank
We
you.
need to
Thank you.
practice more.
Okay, have a nice day. Take care.
Yes.
Bye bye. Bye guys.